So, do you agree that the Earth is wobbling, like mainstream science tells us? All right.
Yeah, I mean,
it's
spinning itself and it's orbiting
very
the
good.
sun.
So, if our axis of rotation changed like 45 degrees in another direction, would we still be orbiting the sun?
Wait, did it change?
No, if we just tilted the Earth, does it affect the other planets or our orbit? I don't. My answer is no. It doesn't affect anything else. We would just be pointing towards a different star, and all of the stars would appear to rotate around that new point of axis because we're spinning. Right? You with me? I think we agree on this. So my question is, this is my point is, why do all of the other planets circle Polaris? They all, and comets and asteroids and planets all circle around Polaris. Why is Polaris at the center of all of their orbits? I thought the sun was.
I actually don't know.
Welcome to Flat Earth, my friend. Welcome to Flat Earth, geocentric Earth with Polaris at the center of everything. Everything orbits around Polaris. That makes zero sense. You know what? This is a special Flat Earth Fridays because this is the day you're going to say, okay, Earth is flat.
Not really. I've been coming here for years,
so it's never going to happen. Sorry.
Never.
All right, guys, what do you guys think about that? All of the planets circle around Polaris. That makes no sense. 2,000 years ago, when the Earth's orbit was pointing towards another star, does that mean all of the planets were going around that star, or would they always go around Polaris and we just happen to live in a coincidental time that we're pointing towards the center? Why would they even go around Polaris if they're orbiting the sun?
Right. It makes sense if you're on a plane and the sun is orbiting above you and also orbiting around
Polaris. Yeah. Everything goes around Polaris. Everything. I think that is like one of the strongest and easiest evidences of flat Earth.
Definitely geocentrism.
Yeah. How can you explain it in a heliocentric model? How can the other planets that are orbiting the sun all be orbiting Polaris? How is that possible?
Yeah, and if they were orbiting both, for example, they would have these weird, they would have really weird orbits, because they would have they would have two different kind of orbits. They would have the one major orbit.
How is that possible?
Yeah, and if they were orbiting both for the orbit around Polaris, but then they would have the one orbit around the sun. So
I'm sorry, I can't follow those mental gymnastics.
Yeah. It's relative.
Are you guys thinking about that? I mean, to me, how come, I think that's like an undeniable evidence, proof, if you will.
Come on, man, we got math for that.
Yeah, we got math. Ruhiv's calculating away right now. Keep that in your mind. Everything orbits Polaris, even friggin' Halley's Comet. Okay? Everything orbits Polaris. Bizarre.
I'm definitely making a clip of that last couple minutes. That's definitely going to be clipped up.